but it was full steam ahead, because our overnight plans had changed, and our next stop, we think was going to come with some issues. We needed to get a ferry to where we was going next to find a parking spot, because where we were now, we didn't have anywhere lined up. It didn't look promising for a stay overnight there. So with a possible ferry cancellation, we pushed on to see where we could get, if we could get. We flew through the ferry road, and would you believe it, there was one waiting for us right there. We drove on, and they lifted the ramp up right behind us. Talk about timing.